Tower flights not applicable, mixtures, rich masters on max, both fuel fleets on both fuel quantities checked. Lights off this stage, ice protection off. And transponder is 3,000 ground liner checklist complete. Over to tower.
Knots and temperature correction QNH 1014.
Tango Alpha Yankee downwind full stop.
Tango Alpha Yankee number 2.
Number 2, Tango Alpha Yankee.
Charlie Golf ready.
Charlie Golf, hold position.
Charlie Golf.
Charlie November Whiskey, line up.
Line up, Charlie November Whiskey. Alright, line up clearance. That centre line is clear.
Charlie November Whiskey, clear for takeoff.
Clear takeoff, Charlie November Whiskey. Positive takeoff clearance.
Tango Alpha Victor is downwind full stop.
Tango Alpha Victor,
And
number 3 for 708 downwind.
Number 7 on Tango Alpha Victor.
Set temperatures and pressures are in the green. 40 knots, checked.
Same in VFR.
Okay,
55, rotate.
Echo Oscar Kilo, clear to land.
Clear to land, Echo Oscar Kilo.
Up some 0 degrees at 200 feet. Alright, airborne time. 18. First heading will be 173.
Tower, Cessna 172, Sierra Uniform Tango, inbound Karam, 1300 with Sierra.
And we lower the nose. Left, centre, right, no traffic, continue climbing.
Tango.
Sierra Uniform Tango, Moorabbin Tower, join the downwind runway 17 right.